Good. Okay guys, we'd like to show you how to install the latch for adapter, Plenum adapter. We pull the air handler out of the box. You need to measure 10.5 inch from the back, take a line, 1.25 from the top. That's the point where your first screw will go. What you do, you just make a hole with the self-tapper, 1/4 inch self-tapper. You don't put the thread, just make it. The reason for that is because the nut driver does not fit too good between the hinges of the latch, so therefore you just pre-drill it, then use the screwdriver and go through the upper portion where it's tighter, and you screw it with your nut driver. Then you use the self-tapper again after you screw it up. Now you can use your thing. Now you all installed. So that's your one latch. Takes no time to do it, no brainer. Very simple. You do the same thing on the other side. Thank you.